Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make Sugar Jalebi and Jaggery Jalebi in Halwai style. With a light crisp outer layer and syrup filled center, jalebis are simply irresistible. In this single video, I'll be showing you how to make Sugar Jalebi and Jaggery Jalebi too. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Do share this video with your family and friends, it helps a lot. Let's start by making the batter for our jalebis. In a bowl, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup of curd. Add water little by little to make a smooth lump-free batter. There are different variations in making the jalebi batter. I have made videos on how to make instant jalebis and I'll link all the videos in the description box for your convenience if you want to check them out. Today we are making jalebis Halwai style. For that we have to ferment this batter. Leave this batter in a warm dry place for 12 to 18 hours. After 18 hours, our batter is fermented well. Give this a quick mix, add in a pinch of yellow food color. This is completely optional. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Our jalebi batter is ready. Use a piping bag or a sauce bottle or even a milk packet as a cone and fill the batter into the cone. Here I am using a piping bag. Fill half of the batter into the piping bag and secure the open end of the piping bag with a rubber band and cut the tip of the cone. Don't make the cut too small or too big. Keep this aside. Now let's make the sugar syrup. To make sugar syrup, in a pan I have taken 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water, 2 cardamoms. Place this on medium flame until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking on medium flame until the sugar syrup is sticky like this. Switch off the flame at this point, cover with a lid and keep this aside. Let's make our jaggery syrup. To make jaggery syrup, here I have taken 3/4 cup of broken jaggery in a saucepan. To that I am adding 3/4 cup of water, 2 cardamoms. Place this on medium flame until the jaggery dissolves. Continue cooking on medium flame until the syrup turns sticky. Remove from flame, cover with lid and keep this aside. So let's start making jalebis now. To make jalebis in a flat pan, heat oil. The oil should not be more than 1 inch above the base of the pan. Otherwise, you won't be able to handle the shape of the batter in the oil. To make jalebis, place the tip of the icing bag close to the surface of the oil. Make a dot and move your hand in spirals to make circles around the dot. Close the spirals over to the first dot itself. It is important to close the jalebi, if not the jalebi will get scattered in the oil. Fry these jalebis on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip over the jalebis and fry them from both sides. Fry them until they are crisp. Take these jalebis out of the oil and directly dunk them into the sugar syrup. Let the jalebis soak sugar syrup for not more than 10 seconds. The sugar syrup should be hot when you drop the jalebis into the sugar syrup. Only then the syrup will get absorbed into the jalebis well. In the same way, dunk all the fried jalebis into the sugar syrup, wait for 10 seconds and remove them from the syrup. These jalebis taste very good when they are served hot. The batter of these jalebis is a little tricky to handle. Few points to take care before making these jalebis is don't thin out the consistency of the batter too much and let the batter ferment very well before making the jalebis. After making sugar jalebis from half of the batter, here I am warming up the jaggery syrup to make jaggery jalebis. The process is entirely same. Make jalebis from the cone that we have prepared earlier. Fry the jalebis in hot oil on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes or until they turn crisp. Take out the jalebis from the oil and dunk them in hot jaggery syrup. Do not leave the jalebis in the syrup for more than 10 seconds. Always remember that the syrup should be hot when you are dunking the jalebis into the syrup. Only then jalebis will absorb the syrup well. Don't leave the jalebis in the sugar syrup for more than 10 seconds, otherwise they'll turn soggy. Serve these jalebis hot and enjoy the monsoons. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments down below how it goes for you. Just check out the jalebis. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.